So let's start off the day with some okay penis?
Yeah,
Is that what that says?
Pronounced penis.
Penis, sorry, it's French. It's the St. Charles River, and there's a giant eyeball over there.
And on a straight pole, so it's probably like a barber shop for your eyeball, your giant eyeball.
So if you need to get your eye hair trimmed?
Yeah, your
or
eyes
just
get
your eyeballs trimmed.
hairy eyes.
And also there's ducks, Gabby's favorite creature.
What up, internet?
Hey there, camera. It's not that early morning, but it's the morning here in Quebec City, and we're going into the old town to see as much as we can today, because basically this is our only day we can see stuff here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see all the stuff you can possibly see.
I think it's also noteworthy to point out that this is like mid-November.
Yeah.
Barely North Canada, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, and I really don't need this toque. But I'm wearing it anyway.
I'm sure we mentioned that in one of the other videos, but I just, feeling pretty lucky that this worked out so well for us.
Yeah, it's been great weather so far, but we need to knock on wood. Look at that arrow.
Yeah.
We're huge fans of street art.
Yeah.
I think my favorite thing about Montreal is just looking at the street art with you.
Yeah. How do you feel about Quebec City during the day?
I don't know. I haven't really done anything yet.
But now you can see it. There's daylight.
Maybe we can bring plants home.
Yeah.
Because for once I don't have to take it on an airplane.
That's true. We could
bring
just
some
stuff your
plants home?
car full of booze too.
And plants.
Yeah, booze and
That's all we
plants.
need.
Yeah. Game on.
Look at the thing behind me. So, I wanted to tell you about this hospital. It's pretty cool. In 1639, 3 young ladies from France arrived in Quebec, and they opened this hospital, which is the oldest hospital in North America. And they went on to open a bunch of other hospitals and stuff. They're 3 nuns that took care of like the elderly and the First Nations, and they opened this hospital.
You see this? Icicles.
Yeah.
Out in the street. They call it murder.
It's true though, because back at home, I actually saw somebody walking down St. Paul Street get hit by a massive icicle.
Yikes.
Knocked down on the ground.
Did it go right through them?
No, they did have to call an ambulance, so.
I shouldn't make jokes, that's scary.
No, it's scary.
No. That's not a snorkel.
Ce n'est pas un snorkel.
Just try to...
You know they're like, this is not a pipe?
Yeah.
Ce n'est pas un snorkel.
Just try to breathe through that underwater. Challenge accepted.
Danger.
Sorry, what'd you say?
This is Artillery Park, but it's like not the other Artillery Park. There should be some cannons, I think.
Okay. Thus the name. Right next to Ammunition Cove.
Cool little buildings though, eh?
Yeah.
So, I don't think we've mentioned this yet, but Quebec City is the only walled city in North America, well, other than in Mexico. So, in the States or Canada, it's the only walled city. This is pretty cool, like the remnants of walls and stuff.
Yeah. Seems pretty big fences.
Yeah. Yeah, it's made navigating the city a little bit tricky because, like, you don't think about the levels of places. I guess I don't, unless I'm in Europe. But like, oh, I can walk from here to here. Oh, you can't really when there's big walls in between, or like elevation. So
there was stairs in the one bit that
yeah,
we didn't take.
It's just been a little bit trickier, but that's fine. It makes it feel very European, eh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go explore a few more of the walls and see what we see. Wanna walk on the old city walls?
Sure. Oh yeah. This is a really good viewpoint down here. There's also clearly a man peeing over there in the corner. On the cannons. Yeah.
The reason why it's called Parc d'Artillerie.
Time for the gun show. Ooh, look at them guns. Oh, girl. Yep, that's what a cannon looks like. That's what I'm looking at. What you looking at? You gonna shoot that building? Oh, cannon. You saucy devil. Huh. Are you a dangerous cannon? Huh. Danger to shoot. Ah, shoot.
There's a tiny little alley. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wonder if Jags can find us. Pretty cool.
It's you. You were down there earlier.
That little park.
Yeah. Beautiful view.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day too.
Yeah.
Couldn't have asked for better weather. Look at all the interesting buildings, like.
Yeah. I like pointy rooftop things. There's like a weird golden shimmer on that green rooftop.
Yeah.
It's gold! Gold!
The green roofs remind me of somewhere in Europe, you know?
Yeah.
But we're in Canada. Oh, nice and sunny. This was the Barracks Sector. Cool. So it used to be where, I'm assuming, people stayed, military people stayed. There's probably a better word for that.